Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Bosch Benvenuto B30 espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the grinder, the one that you see right here. This is the old grinder of the machine. We completely assembled and took it off and installed a new one on the machine, as this machine was having an issue with the add beans message error that it was just getting. So we're gonna do a couple of shots of, we've been doing a couple of shots of espresso. We've been doing a couple of coffees, but we're gonna do a couple more and just show you guys how it works. As you can see, nice flow coming out of the machine. We're also using the coarser setting of the grinder. As you can see right there, it's coarser setting of the grinder, and as you can see, we're getting a good flow, excellent crema, really working great. Now for the steam, we're gonna wait a little bit for the steam to build up some pressure. But once we have pressure, we're gonna be able to just shoot a bunch of steam through the steam one. As you can see, machine starting to get to temperature. We should be able to hear the pump pulsating in a bit and seeing a bunch of steam coming out to the one. There you go. Now the power pump is acting up. You can see the steam coming out of the machine. Excellent steam, really good pressure, and water will be even better. As well as we're gonna be able to see in a couple of seconds once the machine cools down. It's gonna splatter all over the place as the thermoblock was hot. I should have done this a little bit early. I should have done the hot water first and then the steam. But as you can see, we're having nice water flow coming out of the one. And as soon as it cools down, we're gonna be able to see a nice steady stream coming out of the hot water one, as you see right now. Excellent temperature. I'm definitely warming myself. It's really hot. So there you have it. Bosch Benvenuto B30 working once again, not having any add coffee error or anything like that. We'll do another shot just to show it once again, and then we conclude the test. Again, nice steady stream and excellent color coming out of the machine, coming out of the spouts, working great, and no add coffee message. Excellent quantity of coffee and really great color. So there you have it, Bosch Benvenuto B30 working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.